My close friends wasn't meant for headlines. It was a moment between me and the people I trust. But I am not angry, just tired. Like this year, it was Dominic Ngapa. Now it's these rumors. I prayed for peace, but didn't know it came with a distance. I am exhausted, but I am still here at 2025. My babe, Gantiyini. Hi, get your family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. But see that is Lasizwe's tweet that he tweeted on his Twitter account. Allegedly, but see the rumor out there has it that Lasizwe and Lungile they have parted ways. But see this rumor was spread by Lasizwe's close friend who alleges that Ulasizwe and Lungile they are fighting over payment methods whereby Lungile is demanding to be paid $1 million plus for his episode on awkward dates, but see, and it looks like Lasizwe refused to do that, and then it led to the pair to path ways. In additional, but it is alleged that Lasizwe further has chosen to stay away from the taxi family business because of how toxic it is. Hashem Guningi Impela. And the fact that he trusted the person, if these rumors are into truth, he trusted the person to keep the secret, and then the person decided to sell it out. Interesting. But and to add on that, we are definitely going to miss Ulingile Nolasizwe if these rumors they are indeed true, because they were quite a duo. But they are both funny, and Lungile is very much comfortable around his brother. So is Lasizwe. So to know, or rather to read about these rumors, it is quite disturbing indeed. And the fact that Ulasizwe had to make a reference to Dominic, now I thought they sorted out their issues a while back. So now it looks like he's holding on to a situation that was never resolved, and then he feels like 2025 is worse for him. Please do leave your comments, so that we can have more opinions on this one. Thank you for watching. Catch you on my next one. Bye.